One story that all Iowans should know, and it's a great story, to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing, is how that communication took place. And it's a story that's connected to Iowa. The then Collins radio out of Cedar Rapids was the manufacturer of the communication, the transmitters that were in the Lunar Explorer. And so when Neil Armstrong is on the moon and says, you know, this is a small step for man, a giant leap for mankind, that's done through Collins radio equipment manufactured in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. So if you come to our Iowa History 101 exhibit, you can see a 1940s era Collins radio transmitter. Then after the Apollo 11 mission is up and returns, is each state gets some fragments of moon rocks, and the astronauts also took flags, miniature flags from all 50 states up on the mission. And so each one goes to the moon. And then in December of 1969, President Nixon presents every governor with their own small fragment of moon rock and also the flag behind an acrylic top that is a display then for each state to have a sample of a moon rock and their flag that went to the moon. So the State Historical Museum of Iowa, we are now the stewards of Iowa's moon rock fragments and flag from the 1969 Apollo 11 mission. Part of the legacy then that we have today is that one of the most famous Iowans still alive, Peggy Whitson, who goes on to be a NASA astronaut, part of her inspiration was being able to hear and see the footage of the Apollo 11 mission. So we're proud to share some of Peggy Whitson's legacy, and we have one of her exercise suits right next to the Collins radio from about 1944.